Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ChatGPT workflows to LinkedIn post drafts using Zapier, detailed guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will guide you through the process of connecting ChatGPT workflows to LinkedIn post drafts using Zapier. First, ensure you have active accounts for ChatGPT, LinkedIn, and Zapier. Log in to your Zapier account. Click on Make a Zap to start creating a new workflow. Select the ChatGPT app as your trigger. Choose the specific trigger event that suits your needs. Connect your ChatGPT account by following the prompts. Once connected, set up the trigger by defining the required parameters. Next, click Continue to test your trigger. Ensure that the test is successful before moving on. Now, search for and select the LinkedIn app as your action. Choose the action event, Create a Post. Connect your LinkedIn account by authenticating with your login details. Once your LinkedIn account is linked, proceed to set up the action. Select the appropriate fields for your LinkedIn post, such as content and visibility. You can pull in data from the ChatGPT trigger to populate these fields. Continue by clicking the Continue button to move to the testing phase. Conduct a test to ensure that your LinkedIn post draft is created successfully. Check your LinkedIn account to confirm that the post draft appears as expected. If the test is successful, give your Zap a name for easy identification. Click Turn on Zap to enable the integration. You have now successfully connected ChatGPT workflows to LinkedIn post drafts using Zapier. Enjoy streamlined content creation for your LinkedIn profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.